Goal setting techniques. Now this is also a subject. Now you all are Sanic school guys. When you enter in class 6, you find a bond. I will sit for the entrance exam for NDA. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
It is not saying that you have to go to NDA. There are a lot of guys who go for written exam in NDA and they don't write anything. Fail okay. Perfectly alright. But you have to sit for the exam. So that may be one of your goals. But there's somebody else who feels, no, I have to become a doctor. I have to become an engineer. I have to become a journalist. I have to become a writer. I have to become a hotelier. I have to become a politician. I have to become a bureaucrat. There are so many goals. Okay? So how to set that goal for yourself? So that technique is there. And then when you set a goal, it is not that you always succeed. Is it right? So अगर मान लो आपका गोल सेट किया और वो आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाए, IIT एग्जाम नहीं क्लियर हुआ यार, does that mean the world comes to an end?
No, sir.
You should have something else. अब जिस दिन IIT एग्जाम पास नहीं करोगे, फेल हो जाओगे, उस दिन तो नहीं सोच सकते ना कि आप और क्या करना है. So this is a goal setting technique. Suppose you are going on a particular way and you meet a dead end. Now what? So that tayari has to be done in advance. And that technique is goal setting technique. It gives you a goal and it also gives you alternatives. If you do not reach here, what else? And that is the primary way in the army we work. Whenever we get a task, you always think, इसमें break into stages. Okay, इस stage पे I'll do this. Okay, यहाँ पे these are the problem areas. Things may go wrong here. So there's something called Murphy's law. Whenever you think something can go wrong, it will go wrong. Please plan for it. समझे बात को? No. अगर लगता है कि सुबह 9:30 बजे जाना था, ब्रेकफास्ट लेट हो जाएगा, तो it will be late. जैसे आज हुआ है. You have to plan for it. पहले से ही सोच के रखो यार, what are the ways it can go wrong? तो पहले से ही plan करके रखो. Like I did not today that my memory stick is not going to work. I didn't plan for it, so we are late. अगर कल रात को मैंने वो किया होता तो आज सुबह किया मैंने, तो we wouldn't have been late. Understood? Not understood? Overhead तो नहीं जा रहा? But your faces are showing it is all overhead. इतने grim होकर बैठे हो, smile करो. मेरे से नाराज हो क्या? Now give a nice smile. That is what I'm trying to tell you today.
Please like and subscribe.